Wagwan, it's about Adrian back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to another banger review, another banger update. What is the project got going to the first place? So when you look at a Keznamdi winning over a Jesse Royal, a Leader Ika, and a Vybzkartel who have much a bigger fan base, who have more fans. What happened making these fans didn't vote for these artists instead of a Keznamdi, not taking nothing from a Keznamdi again? Because when I look at a Keznamdi record like on his YouTube or Spotify and his YouTube does not add up to a Jesse Royal number or a Vybzkartel or a reggae. Word reggae, not dancehall. Because dancehall have been getting fight for years. Remember, dancehall music is a music that burn out chichi. When you look at the likes of Jesse Royal and a Leader Ika, there's no way a Keznamdi would win over Jesse Royal and a Leader Ika. This is only telling me one thing, that this album by Keznamdi is a very good album, and this is going to send a lot of people into frenzy to listen to this album. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box. Is this Grammy about voting, or it's about reggae music itself, real authentic reggae? And I believe that this is what got a lot of people confused about dancehall. It's about reggae, and some artists going to have to understand that, because if you look at the Keznamdi stats, for example, look at your screen. How did Keznamdi have as much fans to win over a Jesse Royal? Keznamdi album have to be so good that it caused him to just win a Grammy without even a lot of people viewing it. Like where I'm seeing some people saying that Buju Banton co-signed Keznamdi, causing him to win the Grammy award. Just the other day where Buju Banton put out a post stating that Keznamdi and Massacre are the two baddest artists in the industry right now. Where a lot of people didn't even know the name Keznamdi. A lot of people asking who is Keznamdi. Now fast forward to now, Keznamdi won a Grammy award over. What you guys think about this in the comment box, and congratulations Keznamdi. And I'm more about high frequent music, even though I never really listened to the album, but I guess the album is one of those albums like a Bob Marley album, because even the Chronics album I think could even win. But I guess that is the Grammy decision and the voters. Now nation, now we can see we are video circulating the internet with King Tavi emotional struggles, with speculation that it might be related to a recent relationship, and some speculating that it related to Tavi not having a visa. Tavi feel a lack of support coming from his fans and the Jamaican diaspora, where Tavi feels like no one is supporting his craft. And we also have some people criticizing King Tavi for seemingly faking mental health issue for views. To see Tavi like this is really sad indeed.
Hey, you take down the post there. That hurt, you know. You change your profile picture. That hurt, you know. It's just kind of hard to just imagine, you know, I move on without a certain way, you know. Yeah. You know, everybody not good still. But from a day in my life, I've been alright.
Pull up the gun, Mitch. Pull up the gun. Lock it till my power. Alright. No police out there, dog. You know, we don't care that. Police come on me yard for what? No police out there. No police out there. So you want to tell me no. So we want to do now, so we can calm down and just deal with it in the proper way. Yeah. I just have to tell you how you want to deal with it, that. So you have to just calm down, relax, because you can take over the work. We don't have no time for calm now. No, but Lando, I work with you already. Yeah. Sit then, that's why I'm there, bro. Exactly. See where you go to. Reach your point. Tavi, listen. Yeah, man, reach your point. Yeah, man. You have your purpose. So much people stab me. Tavi, don't watch them people that are all over this. Don't watch that. Tavi, people when them see greatness. Alright, you have to prove them wrong. You see when them see greatness, adapt them do. Alright. You can't make them win. Who are win? Them can't win. Who are win? Who step by you see a try style, them can't win. Are you alone or win this? Are you alone? Them a fight. When you know. Exactly. You're global, you know, bro. So why Jamaica treat me, sir? But that's how Jamaica treat everybody. Jamaica treat everybody? That's how Jamaica treat everybody, bro. You see it? So that's what we are telling you now. Yeah, what? If we want to start out We work together, get your visa and thing. You show them a talent and make them know, say, yo, and you are the man.
Your thing not stop you saying, brother. Remember say that? You know that you not have it.
Yeah, dog.
Your thing not stop you, so bro.
And if you remember say you plan another movie to that way, tell me say you want to work on it.
Your thing not fit there, so charge it.
Yes,
so you say you go more while you in one room, Tabby, and you feel like say that room there for you when your room are one. Bigger. You understand me? I say? So you know that Jamaican of the world. You understand me? I say, bro?
So just calm down.
Tabby, when you are do the Jamaica, no boy.
No boy,
I can tell you that.
But you know him, you know that.
You know that, Tabby.
Let me know what you guys think about what King Tavi going through. Mental health is a serious issue. All I can say, pray for King Tavi, because it seems like King Tavi been going through this for a good while now, and you know Jamaican people don't really take mental health seriously. Nation, now we can see where Richie Feeling shares his personal experience with mental health struggle, drawing from his mother, battling and advocating for greater empathy and understanding. Richie Feelings criticized the public insensitive reaction to individual experience mental health episode, emphasize that the mental health issue are serious and often rooted in deeper struggles like abuse, financial difficulties, or relationship problems.
We live in a dangerous world, and that's something about with them on a show. A show who is people, and a show how people care, or people sympathize, or how people heartless. The social media with them on it a show. Everybody have a voice, you know. All you have to do is just turn on your phone and you do what you have to do. You have to bring down somebody or you have to talk positive. Because I can tell you this. I can make the life run up right now. I can understand this. Some people in the life just run up. Thousands of people because of negativity may sell. But when you sell positivity, it moves slow like snail. When you sell negativity, remember, right away some people just say, yo, Richie Feelings over there bring down Ray. And I'm saying, we can go here where Richie has said. And you just see the light does start go upset, does start go upset, does start go upset, does start go up so. Because of negativity as sell. When we come on, we just come to talk and go back to our business. Because remember, say this now pay. We just have a little free time and we just say, alright. We could just talk and go about our business. Because remember, it's a platform this, you know. You might think it not reach, but trust me, it will reach. Only here me always come advocate for mental health. Seeing, always come advocate for it. Yesterday, I say, the youth named King Tavi have an episode. And the youth have an episode and member. Me I look on the episode of the youth have an. Me see some people are beat him. And I say, a lie ma tell. A lie ma tell. And I kind him a look and this and that and that and that and that and that. It's like the lady when named Miss Buchanan from down at Bellevue. It's like them not really a listener. Them a listen but them not listen. People listen but them not listen for understand. Them just listen for respond. Seeing, me see the youth have an episode and TJ them and some other people got to go, you know, support him and help him. I know the first episode this him have. I can explain something to him. When a lot of people are suffer with depression, the only way them can do is lash out. Yes, him have a platform and him dep on him platform, him lash out and him girlfriend understand how go on. Because she could have just there with him. But this is not him first rodeo. A whole heap of youth a struggle mentally because them not reach where them supposed to reach. Them not reach where them supposed to reach. Enough youth right now a struggle because them not reach where them supposed to reach. Worse, them know somebody where them and them used to go to school and that person there I do better than them. That trouble them mental. That trouble them mental. Good. To bother them, enough girl where you go some man, them used to go to high school and them used to be the hottest girl and everybody I say, yeah man, see the hottest girl in the 1990 that girl was the hottest girl. Forward to blood clean 2026 when they go some man look on that girl where you and her used to go to high school. She used to be the hottest girl right now, she have 4 pitney, 4 different father. Seeing, she has struggle, she didn't have a car, life does a beat her so. While you go some man you look and I said, but blood clot, I want to go on with Susie. Oh, Susie mash up so. Susie, I'll see you one day, but want to hear you because Susie shame. So all of them think they're trouble enough for the youth them. No for the youth them trouble because somebody do better than them and them never accept and say, boy, you don't know, I saw it go. Because remember, you know, all of we get old, you know. All of we age. But some of we not age well. And some of we did aspire to say, boy, at 30, we don't have car, we don't have house. And now we're close to 50 and enough of we don't have a bicycle. Enough of we still a work minimum wage. Seeing? And it's like, the depression, the liquid. Because even enough women are go through it, you know. Remember, Miss Buchanan, it's enough people that are Bellevue because of heartache, you know. A broken heart. Man, they don't have a broken heart, failed relationship. Woman don't have a failed relationship because them can't believe, say, them pour so much in a man or them pour so much in a woman. And when them pour it in a them, they must have blood clean, but me no get it back.
Now, Nation, let me know what you guys think about what Richie feeling saying in the comment box that we need to take mental health more seriously. Now we can say where Kiprich and Kizzy have laid their baby miracle to rest. Condolences to the family, and I know for sure this is sad indeed for Kiprich and Kizzy.
What did I do to deserve this? How can I fix this? God will help me process all of the hurt, because since the day you were born, Mommy had to keep moving. There was never a night's sleep. I couldn't sleep, worrying about you. I could hardly eat, and most days it's just fruits. This is not the end. This is the beginning. Reborn of your mom. And I have a lot of faith in Christ himself. That's why I'm here today.
So leave your problems at the door. God is opening a new door.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share. It is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.